The Honeywell True HEPA Tower Air Purifier is perfect for use in rooms up to 75 square feet. The HEPA filtration of this unit helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. The activated carbon pre-filter helps capture large airborne particles and reduces both odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel featuring a backlit manual control knob with 3 cleaning levels to choose from, a filter and pre-filter check indicator light, and filter reset buttons. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 75 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.